Hey guys, it's Aimee and welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will be showing you guys how I did this pink glam makeup look with only one brand. It is the brand that we all love. It's available on the drugstores, on the department stores, and everything else. It's Maybelline. Yes girl, we are going to do this makeup look with only using Maybelline products. You guys can use this for events, like if you're going to debuts or parties or anything like that. This makeup look can also be used for hosting or any formal type of occasion, and ayaw nyo mag-rent ng makeup artist.
By the way guys, it's my first time to do a sit down, talk through makeup tutorial type of video, so please bear with me kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung mga sasabihin ko nung una. Pero throughout the video naman naging madadala ko, so prepare yourself. I'm not sure if this will be a lengthy video or a short video, pero ang dami kong sinabi and I'm gonna put that all in the video.
Without further ado, let's get on to the video. So let's start by putting our headband on.
Para yung hair natin namin hindi pa sabog-sabog sa harap ng face. I'll be skipping primer for today
Kasi I have no Maybelline primers on hand.
pero maraming primers na mamibili sa Maybelline. There's the baby skin pore eraser, meron ng master priming, ganun. Basta marami silang primers.
For foundation, we'll be using most of Maybelline lovers' favorite. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. And I am in the shade 120 Classic Ivory.
Ito lang talaga yung ayaw ko sa Fit Me. Wala siyang pump. And sobrang hirap i-dispense ng product.
For foundation, hindi ako gagamit ngayon ng sponge. I will just be using my fingers.
For this look, gusto ko yung skin finish. And napanood ko yung kay Elise Hoson, pati dun sa makeup artist. I forgot the makeup artist's name. Pero I'll try to link it down below. Pero ayun, sabi niya,
If you want the skin finish look sa foundation mo, you put it in your fingers, tapos you rub it like this. Tapos, ganyan mo lang, using your fingers. No need sa brush.
mas mukha siyang skin finish. Ayan. So, bagong technique yun.
For our next step, we are going to conceal our under eye circles, tapos yung other blemishes and the redness. O, di ba may paganto? Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer.
Sorry if doon ako tumitingin kasi I'm using my iPad tapos syempre yun yung screen. Doon ako tumitingin kasi kita ko yung pinakita ko.
Anyway, ayan, meron siyang sariling applicator, and I know it's not the most hygienic na paraan to dispense sa product. Pero what I do is gamit ko lang talaga siya to dispense the product and not to blend it.
So, pakita ko sa inyo. Twist nyo lang. And then, let's draw triangles. Under eyes. Tapos, sa T-zone ko, ito yung conceal. Tapos, syempre, itong redness. Corner of my chin. Red. Wala naman akong pimple din. So, that's fine.
When you're using a concealer, with that Maybelline, it works for that one. You let the product sit for a while muna before you start blending it.
Because I see some people, after putting a triangle on, they blend it with their fingers na agad.
Pero for me, to get the most pigmentation out of the product, I let it sit muna on my face for a while before I blend it.
How's your New Year, guys? Comment down below your New Year's resolutions. Ano bang mga inaasahan niyo this year? What are you hoping for? What are you wishing? What are you planning to change sa sarili mo?
Ako, my New Year's resolution is to save more.
I recycled the shoebox and turned it into a treasure chest.
For contour and for highlight mamaya, I'll be using this. This is the Maybelline V Face Duo Stick. And I believe this is in the shade medium. And this is how it looks, diba?
Before kasi, kaya ganyan pa siya ka-sharp. Before kasi, I didn't like the shade. I thought it was so warm for my skin. Akala ko sobrang ma-orange niya. Ganun. Pero, once I blended it out, I should be using a sponge for this. Pero, nakalimutan ko yung sponge ko dun sa vanity table ko. So, okay. Fingers na lang din. Tricks naman. My sister kasi, she has a piggy bank din sa room niya. Tapos, her swear amount, yung say swear amount, yun yung parang sinasabi mo talaga nila nilalagay doon. First fair amount is 50 pesos. Lahat ng makuha niyang bill na 50 pesos, hindi niya pwedeng galawin because it's gonna go straight to that piggy bank. That's her way of saving. Sorry for the aircon. I turned it on kasi mainit. That's her way of saving money.
So, ako, I decided na lahat ng spare changes ko is dadiretso doon. And
Nagdadalawang isip ako if I should include 20 pesos bills or not. Kasi I don't know if okay pa ba yun sa allowance ko or masyado ko ng pagkakaita ng money yung sarili ko.
you guys, here's a tip.
If you are saving money, oo, maganda yung saving. It will help you in the future, gano'n. It's for your future use. Pero if you're saving money, wag mong tipirin yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na basic needs ng isang tao.
Don't starve yourself just so you could save money. If you're really hungry, go spend it, buy some food, ganon.
Tipirin mo yung sarili mo sa ibang bagay. Like, you're not hungry naman, you're full, tapos nakakita ka lang nito, ay gusto ko to para masarap. Doon ka na lang mag-control.
To set that, we are going to use this Maybelline White Super Fresh Long Lasting UV Cake Powder. This is in the shade Nude Beige. So with my kabuki brush, I will just get a little product, tapos use it to set.
So guys, if may suggestion kayo, please do comment it down below kasi gusto ko talaga ng drugstore alternative sa powder.
Let's move on to the eyebrows. This is the Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. I'm going to go a little more natural pagdating sa brows, so we are just going to use the powder side, and this is how it looks.
Fill-in mo lang siya ng ganyan hanggang mamaya. Hanggang ma-achieve mo na yung gusto mong ma-achieve sa brows mo. Another New Year resolution of mine is to release more videos for you guys. Kasi last year, I did release some videos, pero like yung interval niya per month, tapos minsan hindi lang 1 month, di ba? Mas naging marami yung na-upload ko on the latter part of the year kasi nahihiya ako na yun lang ang ilabas, puro makeup tutorials of this, of that, ganun. Aaron, go check out his YouTube channel, Aaron Villanueva. I will link his channel down below, and you guys also have to look at his Instagram. Sobrang proud ako sa mga nagagawa niyang looks ngayon, pero you have to see it. Pero anyway, he made a Twitter game na parang fave this and I will DM you a year-ender message, ganun. So, pinave ko yun, tapos he messaged me na gustong-gusto daw niya talaga ako maging consistent with my YouTube channel kasi sayang naman daw. Kaya, anyway, yun yung ginawa kong New Year's resolution. Sabi ko, this year, mas magiging consistent ako sa pag-upload ng YouTube videos. I mean, siguro hindi pa yung katulad ng sa ibang YouTubers na twice a week merong bagong video or once a week, ganun. Pero, I will do my best. I will try my best na at least once a month makapag-release ako ng video. And that's a big step na, unlike before.
So, ayan, diba? Ang ganda naman, maganda siya sa brows. It looks very natural. We'll go now to our eyes. So, I will be using these makeup brushes.
A lot of you guys have been asking me kung saan ko nabili yung eye brushes ko. And they are from Forever 21. I got them along with my sponge.
By the way, yung blush nudes palette, kaya siya blush nudes kasi all of its shades are glittery. So, ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. Kaya, ang tawag sa kanya is blush nudes. For the base shade, I will be using this one.
It's easier to build up color than magbawas. Kaya, always remember that. Always keep that in mind.
Using the same brush, I will be using this dark pink shade from the palette. Ayan guys, so para hindi maging super wild yung nangyayari sa eyes natin.
We'll use this fluffy brush and wala tayong lalagay na eyeshadow sa kanya. We'll just use it to blend the ones on our eyes already. I will be using this angled flat brush. Tama ba? I am not very familiar with the names of the brushes, so I hope you bear with me. And then we'll use this brown shade from the palette. I'll be focusing this on the outer corners of my eyes, but I will be working my way on the crease as well, up to the crease.
The next thing that we're going to do is to get this light pink shade from the palette, and for that, I will be using my middle finger.
And ipapat ko lang siya sa center ng eyelids ko.
Then, for the next step, we are going to use this one. Using my index finger naman.
We're going to put it on the inner corners. To brighten up ours, I put it as if hindi pa siya brighten, so ganun.
For now, we'll be dragging down those shades down to our lower lash line.
For the outermost corners, I'll be using this brown shade, and then in the middle, I'll be using this shade. Tapos for the inner corners, itong shade ito. It's working. So guys, mas maganda pala if you get this shade para sa middle. So let's use that instead. Then this one. I will be using this flat angle brush.
I'm going to dip that in this one, the darkest shade in the palette.
For this one, we are going to create a soft eyeliner. By the way, you guys, this video is not sponsored by Maybelline. I'm just putting that out.
Actually, if there is one makeup tool that I can't live without, it will be an eyelash curler.
Kasi your eyelash curler instantly brightens your eyes and enhances it. It makes you look way more awake than if you haven't curled your lashes. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. And this is how the wand looks. There you go. It really is a nice mascara.
We'll move on to the cheeks. This is the Maybelline Cheeky Glow. This is from their Blush Studio. This is in the shade Creamy Cinnamon.
Smiling helps. You get to see the apples of your cheeks. And that's where your blush should be. Putting some more and tapping it off. Next up, we're going to highlight on the areas that we have to highlight. We'll be using this Maybelline V-Face Glue Stick, and this time on the highlighter side. And this is how it looks. We're going to put some on the nose. And using my middle finger, I'll just blend that out. After that, we'll also put some highlight on the chin.
Let's go back to the Blush Nudes palette.
We'll get a little of that on the side of our brush. There you go. And put it on our brow bone. Our brow bones have been highlighted. Let's move on to the lips.
For this video, I decided to use their Color Sensational. This is in the shade 657 Nude Nuance. That's it, you guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any video requests, suggestions, or other types of videos that you want me to do, other types of videos that you look forward into seeing in my channel. And if you want to see more of me and more of my videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. And that is all. I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!